Hi, good afternoon, children. Welcome back our English class. Okay, what is our subject? English. What is the spelling of English? Say loudly, all are. What is the spelling of English? ENGLISH. English. Okay. What is the spelling of English? ENGLISH. English. All are keep on your videos. Keep on videos. Keep on your videos, all are. Once again, read English. Spelling of English. What is spelling of English? ENGLISH. English. Second, ENGLISH. English. You all are take out your English grammar book. You all are take out your English grammar book. Next, open the page number 23. 23. What is the page number? 23. 23. Okay, now? Today our topic is vowels and consonants. Already you know very well what is the vowel letters, what is the consonant letters, you know very well. Okay, once again I am repeated these words, these letters. Okay, there are 26 letters in a alphabetical order. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Tell me, children. 26 letters. What are they? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are English alphabet. Okay. Totally how many are there? 26 letters are there. How many are there? 26 letters are there. Okay. In these 26 letters, two types is there. What is the vowels and consonants? Divided into two types. Vowels and consonants. Okay. Vowels. Vowels and consonants. What is the spelling of vowels? VOWELS. Vowels. And consonants. CON, SON, AN, TS. Vowels and consonants. In English alphabetical order, there are 26 letters are there. They are divided into two types. One is the vowels and another one is the consonants. What is the vowel letters? Vowel letters. A. Vowels. What is the vowels? VOWELS. Vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel letters. Say A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel letters. What are the remaining letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Remaining letters all consonant letters. Consonants. C-O-N, S-O-N, A-N, T-S. Consonants. What is the consonants? Once you tell me. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Remaining how many letters are there? 21 letters. Okay? These letters are called consonant letters. Okay? See children, in this 23rd page number, exercise 1. See here all are, look at the book. Here given now, exercise 1. Read the words given below. Write down the words beginning with vowels and the words beginning with a consonant. Okay? Here given some words. This word started with vowel sounds and consonant sounds is there. Okay? What is the first word? C-H, C-H-I-L-D, child. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. O-N-E, one. A-N-T, ant. C-A-T, cat. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. House. H-O-U-S-E, house. Egg. E-G-G, egg. King. K-I-N-G, king. G-I-R-L, girl. E-Y-E-I. B-O-A-T, boat. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. T-R-E-E, tree. I-N-D-I, India. A, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Box. B-O-X, box. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Okay. Here given some words. Here given some words. Okay. In these words, you divide two types. Words beginning with a vowel letters. Words beginning with a consonant letters. Your back page C, children, wants you 24 number. Page number 24. Take out your OLR. Words beginning with vowels. Words beginning with consonant. Words beginning words beginning with vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S. Vowels. Words beginning with vowels. See, children. C-H-I-L-D, child. C-H-I-L-D, child. Okay. C is vowel letter or consonant letter? Tell me. C is vowel letter or consonant letter? Sriman Manjari, tell me. Kanupotila Sai Satvik, Nandika Reddy. C is vowel letter or consonant letter? Only vowels. What is the vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters only vowel letters. Remaining consonant letters. Remaining letters are consonants. So, words beginning with vowel letters. So, child. Child start with C. C is a consonant letter. Okay? So, you leave this. Word beginning with consonant. Okay. Child start with C. C. C is a consonant. So you write the second bit. Here giving no words begin with a consonant sound today now. Here write the child spelling. CHILD, child. Next, afterwards you write Nana. First you listen. Next, doctor. Doctor start with a D letter. D. D is vowel or consonant? Consonant. So, doctor also you write consonant. DOTTOR. Consonant word. Next, one. ONE, one. One start with which letter? O. O is vowel or consonant? O is vowel or consonant? Vowel letter. A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel letter. So, you write the first bit. O-N-E. One. Next, A-N-T. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. A also vowel letter. Okay, and start with A. A is a vowel letter. So you write the first bit. A-N-T, ant. Next, cat. C-A-T, cat. C is a vowel or consonant? Consonant letter. C-A-T, cat. Write in the second bit. Next, elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephant start with E. E letter. E is a vowel letter. So, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Next, house. What? House start with a H letter. Okay, now H. H-O-U-S-E, house. House is consonant. H is consonant letter. House. H-O-U-S-E, house. Next, egg. E is a vowel letter. So you write here. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. King. K is vowel letter or consonant? K is a consonant letter. King. K-I-N-G. King. Next, girl. G. G-I-R-L. Girl. G is a consonant letter. So, G also write second bit. G-I-R-L. Girl. I. Next one what? I. What is spelling of I? E-Y-E. I. Okay? I spelling start with the E letter. E is a vowel letter. So you write first bit. E-Y-E. I. Next, boat. Boat starts with B. B letter. B is a consonant. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Next, orange. Orange starts with O word. O letter, not word. O. O is a vowel letter. O is a vowel letter. So, you write orange spelling here. O-R-A-N-G, orange. Next word. Tree. Sandeep. Jump for the Sandeep. Sit Robert. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tree letter. Right here. C-R-E-E. Tree. India. I. You write the capital I. India is country. So, beginning with capital letter. I-N-D-I-A, India. I is a oval letter. Next, flower. Flower start with F letter. F is a consonant sound. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Flower. Next, box. Box starts with the B letter. B is a consonant sound. Yes. Yes or no? Ritika, yes or no? B is a consonant letter. Box. B-O-X. Box. Shivaratri, Vihanraj. Vihanraj. Uncle. U is oval letter or consonant letter? Vihanraj. Tell me boy. U is oval sound or consonant sound? Oval letter or consonant letter? Ah? Consonant or? No. U is oval. A-E-I-O-U. U is a oval letter. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Next, aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. A also oval letter. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Teacher. Teacher starts with T. T is a consonant. Okay, stop writing all that. Afterwards, I will send a pic. Okay. Your first bit is oval words all. Words beginning with oval, you write in the first bit. Words beginning with consonant words are there, that is second bit. Okay, na? This is first bit, this is the second bit. You write in the answers here. Here write your answers. Okay, children? Next, exercise C. Exercise 2. It is very easy. See, children? This is your homework. C-T. C-A-T. Cat. Here total given capital letters. Here you write cat spelling small letters. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Write small letter. C-A-T. Like this. C-A-T. cat. C-A-T, cat. Door. D-O-O-R, door. You write small letter. D-O-O-R. Like this. Okay now?